I think every household should own this type of steamer. It just makes housekeeping so much easier and less toxic because you're not dealing with a bunch of cleaning chemicals. So this steam cleaner was sent over for my feedback. So let me show you what it comes with and how I use it. It comes with 17 different accessories. So you have attachments for a variety of cleaning jobs around the house and even for car detailing. So whether you're cleaning tile, sinks, shower doors, kitchen surfaces, any material like curtains or hard to reach corners, there's usually an attachment that makes the job easier. It heats up pretty quickly. It takes about 15 seconds to start producing the steam. So it uses this high temperature steam to loosen up the dirt, grease, any soap scums and grime. And I love that you don't need to use harsh cleaners to clean tough dirt. It has adjustable steam control. There are 6 different steam levels, and you can easily increase or decrease the intensity depending on what you're cleaning. So for lighter jobs, you can use a lower setting, and for tougher messes, you can turn it up. The water tank is a generous size. It holds 1.8 liters of water. And I like that it's pretty big because you don't have to constantly be stopping to add water. And I like that the hose is pretty long. So between the hose and power cord, you have plenty of flexibility to move around. Overall, I think this is a must-have in every household. And because, it cleans only with steam, there's no chemical residue left behind, which is especially nice if you have kids or pets in the house. So this is definitely a useful tool to have around the house. Definitely check it out.